PShoeDesign grading. Here is our PShoeDesign program and the file. And now we are making the doing the grading. So here is grading. We click create grading and the grading dialog. In the grading dialog, there is the start number and the end number. So if we make the number is in the US size, it will change. It should be have a big size and a small size. The big size, the small size is from 1 to 13, and then return to the big size. So if I set the small size as the 7, and you will see here we will have a small size from 7 until to 13, 13.5, and then next size will be the number of the big size. It be 1.5. So for the big size, we will set here, just like we add 1,000, that is a big size. So if we do not have no 1,000, that is a small size, just like this. So now is the base size is here, is a small size number 9. So by this way we can make the size table list, and if we have a half size or not, we can click here, and after we doing it, we can select grading. And now we are doing grading. After doing the grading, we will show the size, the grading here. So you will see here is the masterpiece here, and here is the grading size. But we do not see the pieces, so we should turn on the parameter dialog, display dialog, and we can to unclick the master light, and we should show the pieces, but there is no any pieces. So we should turn on the pieces dialog. We make, then select all, then it works. And here we can see here is the pieces of the base pieces. So we can select. We click these two buttons. We will select all this, all and select all. And when we click the number 7, though, so we will select. We will select number 7, and we will when we click 8, then you will show the 8 of the size. So depends on what we want to select. And on this way, when we select it, we can also to click it to decide which part we want to select or not. So by this way to select it. After we select it, then we can to nesting by hand or auto. But here I will show you by the hand. If we want to do it by hand, so we can click sort by size or by name. If we by size, then we will sort by the by the number 7 size all of the pieces, and then we can select to then it will change to be the 8 size, and here we have better to move it in in our paper's position. So we continue to do it, and after we finish it, we do not want to keep doing it, so we say no. And all of this we can it's into the aligned grading aligned system. So in the Alliance, we can decide to show the middle line to turn on or turn off. So we turn off the middle line. Maybe we can also turn off the pen, like there is some of the text, the pen line, or we want to turn off the text. We can select by here. And like a piece name, we want to show or not. So you can see there is no piece name or no last name here. So we can select which one we want to select or not. Maybe size or date we don't want to show. So we do not click then. And after that, we can save as the DSF file. So in the Alliance, we select save as DSF file, and there is some of the DSF file we can select, maybe like AutoCAD DSF file, or we can select as a block DSF file. Here I select to the AutoCAD DSF file to be the entity. So I will select like 2022 0305 DS like this. A save, and now I will turn on my another software to read it, and you will see I'm reading the export DSF file. So now they are here just like before.